Imagine waking up tomorrow and looking out your window to see a red desert stretching to the horizon. No birds, no trees, no oceans, just Mars. Could humans actually survive there? Or would the red planet become the largest graveyard in history? For centuries, Mars has fascinated humanity. Ancient civilizations saw it as a mysterious red star in the sky. Today, scientists and engineers see it as something much bigger, our potential second home. But what if humans actually lived on Mars? The first thing you'd notice is the sky. During the day, the Martian sky appears butterscotch or orange because of fine dust particles floating in the atmosphere. At sunset, something even stranger happens. The sky turns blue around the sun. Sounds beautiful, right? Unfortunately, that's where the easy part ends. Mars is an incredibly hostile world. The atmosphere is over 95% carbon dioxide and contains almost no oxygen for humans to breathe. If you stepped outside without a spacesuit, you would lose consciousness in seconds. Then there's the temperature. On Earth, we complain when it's freezing outside. On Mars, average temperatures hover around minus 63 degrees Celsius, and winter nights can drop below minus 125 degrees Celsius. Yet despite these challenges, scientists believe Mars may be the best place beyond Earth for human settlement. Future Martian cities would likely be built underground or covered by thick layers of soil. Why? Because Mars lacks a strong magnetic field. Without that protective shield, dangerous cosmic radiation constantly bombards the surface. Over time, this radiation could increase cancer risks and damage human health. Living underground could help protect future colonists. Food would also be very different. There would be no supermarkets, restaurants, or food delivery apps. Colonists would need to grow crops inside special greenhouses using artificial light and carefully controlled environments. Potatoes, lettuce, tomatoes, and other crops might become essential for survival. Water would be another precious resource. Scientists have discovered large amounts of ice beneath the Martian surface. Future settlers could mine this ice, melt it into water, and even split it into hydrogen and oxygen for fuel and breathing. But perhaps the biggest challenge wouldn't be physical, it would be psychological. Imagine being millions of kilometers from Earth. A simple message to your family could take up to 20 minutes to arrive. There would be no quick phone calls, no weekend trips home, and no emergency rescue missions. Mars settlers would live knowing that Earth is incredibly far away. Children born on Mars might grow up never seeing Earth's blue oceans, forests, or wildlife. They might view Earth the same way many people today view distant planets, a place they've only seen in pictures. Over generations, Martian humans could even begin to change physically. Lower gravity might affect muscles, bones, and perhaps future human evolution itself. One day, Mars could become a thriving civilization filled with research centers, farms, and entire cities beneath giant protective domes. Or it could prove that some worlds simply aren't meant for human life. The truth is, no one knows yet. But if humanity ever becomes a multi-planet species, Mars will likely be where the journey begins. So, if you had the chance to leave Earth forever and become one of the first humans on Mars, would you go?